Hi guys, welcome to my channel Past to Present. Today I'm gonna tell you about the history of makeup. But before start the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and to get notification of my new videos, please click on the bell icon. Makeup is important for most of women, at least those having a flair for fashion. Nowadays, it is easy to grab the factory-made cosmetics and get the perfect makeup look. But have you ever imagined what the women used for enhancing their beauty before the introduction of manufactured cosmetics? To get the answer, we have to take a look at the evolution of makeup. Women and men have been wearing cosmetics for centuries. The earliest historical record of makeup comes from the first dynasty of Egypt. To hydrate the skin, they used one type of ointment which also protected their skin from wrinkles from the dry heat. The women of the Egypt also decorated their eyes by applying dark green to under the lid and blackening the lashes and the upper lid with coal, a black powder usually made from lead sulfide. It is believed that the Jews adopted the use of makeup from Egyptians, since references to the painting of the faces appear in the New Testament section of the Bible. Roman philosopher Plutus wrote, "A woman without paint is like food without salt." Of course, Plutus was a dramatist, which would explain his preference for the look of a painted woman at that time. Romans widely used cosmetics by the middle of the 1st century AD. Coal, chalk, lead and mercury-based products are mainly used for makeup. For that reason, cosmetics were seen as a health threat in Elizabethan England, because lead and mercury-based cosmetics not only ruined skin but also caused hair loss, stomach problem and could even cause death. On the other hand, when lead and mercury-based cosmetics became health threat for most of the European countries, the ancient Indians used mainly herbal materials for their makeup. That's why the Indian cosmetics became good and healthy products for the both men and women. The Indians mainly used sandalwood, turmeric powder, lebec leaves, costus wood, cedar wood, etc., which were not harmful for their skin.